Hello, welcome all. So this is Abhilash. So particularly in this session, I will be discussing the growth of financial sector, financial services in India. The growth of financial sectors in India at present is nearly 8.5% per year. The rise in the growth rate suggests the growth of the economy. The financial policies and the monetary policies are able to sustain a stable growth rate. The reform pertaining to the monetary policies uh, and the macroeconomic policies over the last few years has influenced the Indian economy to the core. The major step towards opening up of the financial market further was the nullification of the regulations restricting the growth of the financial sector in India. To maintain such a growth for a long term, the inflation has to come down further. The financial sector in India had an overall growth of 15%, which was exhibited stability over the last few years, although several other markets across the Asian region were going through a turmoil. The development of the system pertaining to the financial sector was the key to the growth of the same. With the opening of the financial market, variety of products and the services were introduced to suit the need of the customers. The Reserve Bank of India played a dynamic role in the growth of financial sector in India. The growth of financial sector in India was due to the developments in sectors, growth of the banking sector in India. The banking system in India is the most extensive. The total asset value of the entire banking sector is in India is nearly $270 billion. The total deposits is nearly $220 billion. Banking sector in India has been transformed completely. Presently, the latest inclusions such as internet banking, core banking, mobile banking, UPI, and wallets have made banking operations more user-friendly and easy. One of the main reasons of the growth of financial sector is the growth of the capital market in India. The ratio of the transactions was increased with the share ratio and the deposit system. The removal of the pillable but ill-used forwarding trading mechanism. The introduction of infotech systems in the National Stock Exchange in order to cater to the various investors in the different locations. Privatization of stock exchange. So we have two exchanges. One is the NSE and the second one is the BSE. BSE is the Bombay Stock Exchange, which is the private. The second reason of the growth of financial market in the India, that is the growth in the insurance sector in India. With the opening of the market, foreign and private Indian players are keen to convert untapped market potential into opportunities by providing tailor-made products. The insurance market is filled up with the new players, which has led to the introduction of several innovative insurance-based products, value add-ons, and services. Many foreign companies have also entered the arena, such as Tokyo Marine, Aviva, Allianz, Lombard, AB, New York, Star Life, AIG, Sun Life. We have a Max Bopa, Niva Bopa, then Max. Later we have a HDFC Life, we have a Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Insurance sector as well. We have ICICI Lombard, we have a Star Health for Mediclaim, right? The competition among the companies has led to aggressive marketing and distribution techniques. The attractive part of the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority, that is the IRDA, as a regulator body, has provided to the development of the sector. The third reason of the growth of financial sector, financial services in the India, that is the growth of the venture capital market in India. The venture capital market in India is one of the most active in the financial sector in spite of the hindrance by the external setup. Presently in India, there are around 24 nationals, two international SEBI registered venture capital funds. The below information of the finances in India. Okay, so let's check another uh, why the financial services in India is increasing the growth. The growth is due to the growing demand. Rising income is driving the demand for financial service across income brackets. Investment corpus in India insurance sector might rise to 1 trillion by 2025 with 2100 fintechs operating currently. India is positioned to become one of the largest digital market with the rapid expansion of mobile and internet. Innovation, due to the innovations, the growth is increasing of financial services. India benefits from a large cross utilization of channels to expand reach of financial services. Emerging digital gold investment option. In September 2021, eight Indian banks announced that they are rolling out or about to roll out a system called Account Aggregator to enable customers to consolidate all their financial data in one place. Policy support. The government has approved 100% FDI for insurance intermediaries and increased FDI limit in the insurance sector to the 74% from 49%. That means it has increased by 25% from the last numbers in the Union Budget 2021 to 22. So in our just now the budget happened actually. Our FM Finance Ministry of um, our Finance Minister is Nirmala Sitharaman, who has just presented the Union Budget in the last month. Right? So growing penetration, credit insurance and investment penetration is rising in rural areas as well. So HNWI participation is growing in the wealth management segment. Lower mutual fund penetration of 5 to 6% reflects latent growth opportunities. So these are the reasons of the growth of financial services in India. Thank you. Best wishes.